Okay, so my medium fire is almost burned down. I've got a nice bed of coals here, and I'm going to head into my hot burn. My hot burn. I had 4 pretty decent sized logs heading into my medium. So I think I'm gonna go probably with 6 is what I'm gonna put in for my hot. Okay, so you can see nice bed of coals. I'm just gonna level them out here. Start putting my wood in. It's definitely gonna be dirtier. Yeah, you can see I'm taking off really quick here. Okay, so you can see, close it, it takes off right away into our hot burn. Overall, this stove has been burning a lot longer than the others before heading into our hot burn. We are about, let's see, it's already 5 o'clock. We're about 6 hours in to this burn already. That medium burn, even on high, lasted like about 3 hours. Yeah, I'm about five to 6 hours into this, and that medium burn was, yeah, about 3 hours. That's wide open. Everything's wide open. Still have my oven damper closed here. And yeah, so once this hot burn gets going for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and we have some good hot temperature readings, I will update you guys with those measurements.